Sky Cable TV Kenya, beyond the real.
Well, today being the 8th of February, the year is 2022. A very good and warm welcome to Sky Cable TV News Desk at 1 p.m. I am Wanjiku Njau. Following a directive from the Independent Elective and Boundaries Commission (IEBC), civil servants seeking political positions have 24 hours to vacate their positions. All civil servants seeking political seats must resign by the 9th of February, just 6 months before the upcoming general elections on August 9th. Now, Devolution CS Charles Keter has resigned to pursue his governor's seat of Kericho.
Wish to contest for any elective post are required to resign from office at least 6 months before the date of election. I have today tendered my resignation to His Excellency the President, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces. I am resigning from my office in government to focus my energy on contesting for the seat of governor of the county, the great county of Kericho in August 9, 2022 elections. I have the vision and commitment and will pursue a development agenda that will grow the economy of the great county of Kericho in improving the livelihood of my community and transform Kericho to become a model.
While women from Makueni women's prisons have hearts full of joy, gratitude and hope as a group of volunteers came together to enroll them in courses to do with beauty in the prisons, just as an act to give them hope how to pursue life after prison.
Hakuna mtu atasema sijui ulikuwa prison ulikuwa hiyo tunasahau. Ukitoka hapa you are a new creation. Wewe ni kiumbe kipya. Unatoka na Yesu, unatoka na umefundishwa tabia mzuri, na unatoka na nini? Kazi ya kitu ya kukusaidia mkono yako.
Akatuambia atatupa majina mapya. Wamama walikuja hapa wakiitwa Mama Karobo. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Wataenda nyumbani wakiitwa Mama Salon. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Wataenda nyumbani wakiitwa yule mama wa massage. Wataenda nyumbani wakiitwa yule mama, yule anakuanga na ile kinyozi pale town. Ukitokea tu town hivi, huyo mama. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Maana Mungu ameahidi kutupea majina mapya.
Once the program imekick, which I want to believe in the next few minutes itakuwa launched, na wale ambao watawekwa katika registration table, nione tu unapiki hapo kwa hapo. All the officers in this compound ndio watakuwa clients wenu. Mimi sitanyolewa sasa mahali pengine in the near future. Nitakuwa nanyolewa hapa. Sasa kuona mtu anakaa kichwa mbaya, you will tell me why. And yet there is everything here for you.
KASNEB is now set out to incorporate skills that the target job audience and market audience of the students that enroll under it require.
We have now revamped the old professional qualifications, CPA, CSC, Certified Secretary, as well as CIFA, which is Certified Investment and Financial Analyst. And we have now gone to take care of the bottom of the pyramid, which is the people who have just completed Form 4 and they have a KCSE certificate. So for those ones, we have made provision for them to undertake or to be examined on vocational certificates in various qualifications like graphic design, information and cyber security, blockchain technology, among many others. We have also provided them to pursue those who have a D plane and above can register for the certificate in accounting and management skills. Those are unique things, although we started that course, certificate in accounting and management skills, in 2018.
Most murder cases at the Siaya High Court are as a result of land disputes. The area resident Justice Judge Rosalind Aburili has now urged locals to embrace alternative dispute resolution mechanisms so as to avert the loss of lives in the area.
They arise from land. The dispute is over land. Then somebody takes a panga and cuts another. It is very unfortunate. I urge, we have here young people, especially young people, the youths, you are our future, you are our present. Please, hiyo hasira mujaribu kupunguza. We get traumatized as magistrates, as judges, when we look at those photographs. The High Court handles succession matters, but limited, because our courts now have, magistrates courts have got jurisdiction to handle most of the succession matters.
Now the process of going to court constantly for purpose of this to be done, you realize that these witnesses are required to be in court constantly. The state does not take care of them. So a witness, like now from this far, going to Bondo, and cases are not done in time, yeah, like we had a case there, he's been there for 7 times, and all these 7 times, the matter has not yet been sorted out. Sometimes not because of him, or not because of anything else, sometimes because of the police.
Individuals from Nakuru County have come forth and identified different ways and methods to recycle water as well as other disposable items, just as Nakuru is set to host over 1,000 delegates and more than 200 exhibitors when the country holds the first ever Water and Sanitation Conference next month.
It is also usable, it generates methane gas, and what remains can be used as compost, and the water can be sold, recycled. The policymakers, we have to have some political will to implement some of this. Yes, has to be educated and has to be sensitized on the recycle and reuse and reducing your waste. So when you have a whole population thinking that way, then a little bit done by everybody will have a huge impact. We go back to the issue of recycling water in industries, in construction, in golf courses, so that the potable water that's being used there is available for these new developments. And the same concept applies to the new developments. When you have a new development, you need to look for ways of recycling the water from these facilities, whether it's for irrigation, for car washing.
And with that big story from Nakuru County, we have come to our news bulletin right here from Sky Cable TV News Desk 1 PM. More news will keep coming to you on our social media platform at Sky Cable TV Kenya. I am wishing you a very lovely afternoon and see you at 7 PM right here from Sky Cable TV Kenya. I am Wanjiku Njau.